Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 15th day of December 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's the trade taken in the room today by myself and other traders. Actually, it was the first trade. As soon as we got on to we opened up the trading room, this came up. So here's the setup. The setup is we got multiple failures down at this level. And what can't go down, the only other way it can go is up. So we get our amazing indicator, which is our strong candle indicator, only available at Samurai Day Trading. And we say, okay, we're going to take this candle long. We'll wait for a little bit of a retrace, stick our order on the body of the candle, and see what we can do here. Now, the PVI, we're looking up here. I expect the next candle to be about 115 ticks long. So we're going to use our ATM. It's moving pretty good today. So we're going to go with a little bit larger ATM. We're going to do a 20 tick first target, which de-risks the trade, and then we'll go for our larger 50s and 100. And this is how it all went down in the room today. So here we go. Needed to push down just a little bit. Need a little bit of a retrace. There we go. Now we just wait to get picked up. First thing I do is move my stop to where it needs to be. The last major failure area is right there. But look what happens. As soon as we hit 20 ticks, I'm now at minus 18, which means I paid my fees and covered, a break-even situation at this point. So now I'm going for 50s. Now we are into a brick wall there, but the PVI is so high, it wouldn't be unusual for this candle to reach over and grab my 50 tick target, and then we'll see where we're going from there. I can turn this up actually. A little faster. And we just need to wait it out. This is 4 times the market speeds. All right, so 50s are out. So 20s are out, 50s are out. That's $200 plus 250. We're $450 ahead. Even if the market comes back and takes me out at minus 18, I mean that's not that's less than $200. Less than $100, excuse me. So we're going to be way ahead of the game, even if this comes back and takes us out now at this level. If I remember right, it doesn't happen. So we'll just leave it there and look for our 100 tick target to get hit. Now it looks like it's going to take more than one candle to do it. No reason for me to get out of the trade at this point. Now, if I wanted to lock something in, I could take my stop and move it up to the brick wall here, lock in 30 ticks or so. We'll just let it run out. We won't mess with it. We got to about 97 for our 100 tick target. That's so frustrating though, isn't it? Oh, got the 97. There must be a Fibonacci reason for that failing there. But again, we just let it run out. Oh, it actually touched my 101 tick target. There we go. Finally went out. That can be kind of hairy sometimes. Anyway, that trade right there was worth 970 US dollars and took about 9 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 9 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. I look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.